Hi Gemini, let's pull some cards on your current energy to see what is going on. So this is a general reading for anyone that has Gemini in their charts. You know, your sun, moon, rising, Venus, whatevs. What does Gemini need to know for their highest good? Page of Swords. Seven of Cups. Okay. So obviously with the Three of Swords and the Eight of Swords, there's some kind of pain, whether it's pain from being stuck in a situation or just mentally not being able to move on from a painful situation. Before I really dive in, I'm going to clarify these cards so I have a better understanding in which direction this is going. What can you tell me about the Page of Swords? Oh wow, that was fast. King of Pentacles, Tower. Okay, what else? Ace of Pentacles. What can you tell me about the Seven of Cups? Oh jeez. So many just fell out. Do I take all of these? I don't think so. That was like 12 cards. What can you tell me about the Seven of Cups? Seven of Cups can be options, it can be confusion, it can be illusions, fantasy. We have Three Swords, Three Wands, and Page of Cups. Why the Three of Swords? It's kind of giving me this. I just did Taurus, and this has very similar energy. So I don't know if you have Taurus in your charts, but what else can you tell me about the Three of Swords? And the Eight of Swords. Page of Swords again. Someone could be watching your socials, or you're watching someone's social media. There's like spying involved in this. Spying can also be, you know, talking to friends and family of a person to kind of get the insight of what's happening in that person's life. What else can you tell me about the Eight of... Yeah, there's a lot of heaviness here. A lot of heavy energy. Conflict, stress. also see that there could be like online dating. Maybe you have options. Three in particular. Overall, I think what this is trying to say is whoever this person that you are keeping a close eye on, whoever you're, you know, checking out some social, and this could be vice versa. Just take it how it resonates. But for whoever this is, creating this fantasy world where things are they're gonna work out, things will be perfect, and I'm not saying that it's not possible for you guys to get back together. It's just in this moment I can see it's creating a lot of pain and heaviness, and often healthy, happy relationships do not grow from this state of feeling this, you know, whatever. This is all very similar energies. Just there's this desire to bring balance, and you keep waiting for that day to come, and it's just not coming, and that again is creating the 9 of Swords, 3 of Swords, the 10 of Wands. It's just, I wish it was a better reading for you. I'm sorry, Gemini. I just don't see, just like Taurus, you just need to let it go. And if it comes back, it comes back. Whatever is meant for you will never pass you by. That's one thing I always tell myself is, you know, focus on me, focus on my well-being, my happiness. And if someone is meant to be in my life, then they will be in my life at some point. But you have to take care of yourself first. I'm going to pull a couple cards just for additional advice on the situation for you. What is some advice for Gemini in this situation? Yeah, go out with friends. Hang out with family. Enjoy yourself. What else can you tell me? Yeah, and just move forward in love. In other words, you know, focus on doing things that you love to do. Be kind, be loving, and hang out with your friends. I think that is very important. You know, I think that's a form of self-care, quite honestly. We also have Believe in Your Own Magic Oracle deck, where I'm going to pull an advice card for you. Tower. Unplug and relax for a spell. Number 3. It's time you took a step back and spent some quality time with your one true best friend, yourself. Look up some yoga videos on YouTube, try out guided meditation, read a book from a genre you might not usually read, take a morning stroll around your neighborhood, and discover places you've never been before. When we take the time needed to recharge, we're paying the greatest respect to ourselves. I think that is an amazing advice for, especially if you're going through something like this. You know, really taking care of yourself is so important. because you can't truly be happy with someone unless you're happy by yourself. And that is your reading, Gemini. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.